Dear students, today we will discuss about honeybees. So let's start this session without any further delay. In this slide, we can see the picture of two female bees and one male bee. Among two female bees, first one is queen bee and second one is worker bee. And there is a male bee which is known as drone. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now we will see some characteristic features of queen bee. Queen bee is adult mated female and mother of the bees. Every beehive has one queen bee. Queen bee lays eggs. A queen bee is around 20 mm in size. You can see the picture of queen bee at the left side of the slide. Now let's move on to the next slide. Dear students, now we will see some features of worker bee. Most of the bees in the hive is worker bees. Worker bees work all day. They make beehive. They take care of baby bees. They fly around flowers to collect nectar. When one bee finds flower with nectar, she does a special kind of dance to inform other bees. The worker bees play important role for the hive. Now you can see the picture of the worker bee at the left side of the slide. Now let's move on to the next slide. In this slide we will see some characteristic features of drone or male bee. A drone is a male honey bee. There are only few males in the hive. Drone does not collect nectar. Drones do not have stingers. Drone's primary role is to mate with queen bee. As you can see the picture of drone or male bee at the left side of the slide. Now let's move on to the next slide. Now dear students, there are few questions based on this topic. So let's see these questions. First one is, every beehive has one queen or many queens? Second question is, who takes care of baby bees, worker bee or drone? Which bee collect nectar from flowers, worker bee or drone bee? Which bee makes the beehive, worker bee or queen bee or drone? Which bee mates with queen bee? How many pairs of legs are present in bee? So all these answers will be given in the next slide. So let's move on to the next slide for the answers. So dear students, let's see the answer of those questions. First one is, every beehive has one queen bee. Worker bee takes care of baby bees. Worker bee collect nectar from flowers. Worker bee makes the beehive. Drone bee mates with queen bee. 3 pairs of legs are present in bee. Dear students, now we will see how honeybees make honey. So first of all, queen bee lays eggs in honeycomb. Then larva develops after 3 days. Larva is fully grown after a week. Bee leaves the hive after 3 weeks. And after that, bees gather nectar from the flowers. And at last, bees leave that nectar in the hive for honey production. As you can see in the picture, step-by-step process is given here. Now let's move on to the next slide. So dear students, basically 5 steps are involved in the production of honey. First one is removal of honeycomb from the hive by the beekeepers. Second step is honey is extracted from honeycomb through machine. Third step is honey is cleaned through boiling. Fourth step is honey is taken into jars after cleaning process. And last step is honey is distributed and sold in the market. I hope these steps are clear to you now. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.